In this video, I'm going to be comparing the low-light video capabilities of the Sony ZV-1 versus the DJI Osmo Pocket. Quick disclaimer, the low-light video capabilities are one of the key reasons why you might consider buying the Sony ZV-1. Salut YouTube, it's Christophe Langlois and this is another video on the Sony ZV-1. As a matter of fact, it's my second video comparing the Sony ZV-1 versus the DJI Osmo Pocket. And I've got a lot more content on the ZV-1, so I invite you to please consider subscribing to be notified of any new videos. So a lot of people are still wondering if it's worth spending the money on the Sony ZV-1. And I know a lot of people really loving the very small DJI Osmo Pocket. So today, we'll insist on one use case, which is shooting in low light environments, because it's still one of the key reasons to consider buying a 1-inch sensor device like the Sony ZV-1. So I will share with you a few video samples in the studio and also vlogging with the Sony ZV-1 versus the DJI Osmo Pocket. And if you find this video useful, please give me a big thumbs up because that helps me and the channel a lot. So thank you, and now the samples. A quick comment before I show you the vlogging samples. I would personally try to use an external light like that Vitrox LED light, which is very inexpensive, just to make your low light footage much better. And by the way, I'll be featuring this light and a lot more value-oriented accessories in my upcoming Sony ZV-1 Best Value Accessories video. So please consider subscribing. And now, the vlogging samples. Et voila! So how did you find the Sony ZV-1 in a low light environment compared to the DJI Osmo Pocket? As mentioned, all my observations will be in the description below, and I invite you to share your comments, suggestions, and questions in the comments section, because I always make sure to answer every single comment, bar the odd abusive ones. So if you found some value here, please give me a big thumbs up and consider subscribing, because I've got a lot more content already on the Sony ZV-1 and coming up. Thank you so much for watching again, and I see you in the next video. Bye guys!